everyone. I am going to try and sketch out these, you might not believe it, but these are tulips, the most gorgeous tulips I have ever seen. Basically they're already a little bit dry, and that's what I find so beautiful about them. The leaves curl up. It's just the most stunning little flower ever. Look how tiny they are. They're the size of my finger. So that's how they grow. So you plant a bulb and they come out like this, and they have loads and loads of flowers. Very pretty. I planted them last year, I think late autumn, and that's what they they came out just recently, actually, after we returned from Cotswold. So that is, I don't know, I'm just mesmerized by how pretty they are. So I'm going to try and sketch them out today. And I'm going to use my platinum carbon ink fountain pen. As you know, I absolutely love it for quick sketches. And let's go. Okay, so here they are. So I used my watercolors from these Schmincke Horadam watercolors that have been sent to me. I've done a Happy Mail video, so I swatched out all of them. So in case you're wondering which color is what, you will see that. So yeah, go have a look. And then so these are the little tulips, very very pretty. I'm so happy now that you can just go to your garden and you know, cut a flower and start painting things from the garden which you planted. So it's super exciting. So here they are, very very pretty little flowers, which I try to capture just by doing a lot of curvy kind of lines and all of that. And I found that the faster I start moving the pen, the better I get the shapes, which are quite crinkly here, as you can see. So these petals are pretty much dry, and so yeah, that's the effect I was trying to give it. And then I've done glazing just because I wanted to bring up some of the colors again, and that's what they look like. So very easy, very fast. And in case you wonder what paper I'm using, this is Tamoy River, and it's the 68 GSM, and the color is cream. So I hope you enjoy this video and have a lovely rest of the weekend, and that's it. See you soon.